Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to go through how to create datasets in Azure Synapse Studio. This is very important when you're creating jobs in your Synapse Studio environment. And I find it easier to create your datasets before you even start any job. So let's go ahead and see how to do this. So we're in our Synapse Studio environment. And as you might have guessed, this will be in the data section. So go ahead and select data. And in this section, you have two options, workspace and linked. Select linked and we'll go into the Azure Data Lake storage. Over here, I have a folder called FS1. And in this folder, I have my AdventureWorks CSV file. We can preview some of these CSV files by right-clicking on them and selecting preview. Now what we want to do is create a dataset off of one of these files. So go ahead and right-click again and select new integration dataset. You'll see a new page coming to the right-hand side. And what you want to do is give it a name. And since this is products.csv, I'll just call it products. And the format will be delimited since it's CSV. So once we've done that, you can go ahead and select create. And you should see a new tab open up for this dataset. Go ahead and scroll to the right and hit preview data. You can see up top that the name is shown on the first row. We can make some edits here to make sure that the first row is showing up as the header. So let's go ahead and close this. And if you scroll to the very bottom of this screen here, you should see an option to check first row as header. Here it is. Go ahead and check it. And go ahead and hit preview again. And we should see that now the first row is showing up as header. Let's go ahead and save our work by hitting publish on here. Go ahead and select the publish button and press publish. Once it's published, I'm going to close a few of these tabs just to get some more space back. You can see now that the dataset is saved under a section called Integration Datasets. This is where any datasets that you create inside of the Synapse Studio will be saved. You can also create a new dataset by hitting the option over here, right by Integration Dataset, and selecting to create a new dataset. And this will give you all the different options outside of just the data lake storage. You can create dataset from just about any of the different options you see over here. So what is the point of creating these datasets? So what we can do now is create a pipeline job and our datasets will be there waiting for us. To do this, go ahead and select integrate. Click the plus button and then select pipeline. And this will open up a new pipeline area. In the middle, we have an activity section. We could drag just about anything over here and put it in the white space over here. We're going to search for lookup and drag it over into the open space. And under settings, we'll need to select the source dataset or create a new one. Well, we already have one created, so just click the drop down and choose it. So really, by creating this dataset ahead of time, we just saved ourselves a step over here. Hope you now have an understanding of how to create a dataset in Azure Synapse Studio. Moving forward, I'll create my datasets ahead of time to be more efficient in the job creation process. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.